Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. One of my subscribers asked me a question that I can't really answer why I've never done it. When I have a yellow box trick, I have to go to Object, Order, Back a Page, but you see the hotkey for that is Control End. Well, this is a semi picture of my keyboard. So this is your number locks. If you have your number lock, it's a 1. If you have it unlocked, it's the end. So I have to go to end, and I can actually do it by going page down. I have to hit control page down to get that yellow box to work. So I started thinking, he asked me why I don't use the hotkey for it. Well, that's the reason I don't, because my keyboard's like this. So I have to make sure this 10-digit keypad is off for that to work. So I thought I'll just make a hotkey for it and make it a 1-letter hotkey and just remember where it is. So if we go to Tools, Options, Customization, and let's say you don't know where that is, you can go to Object, Order, and even though it's not highlighted, you can go back a page and it'll bring it up. And then go to the shortcut is Control N. Well, let's add a new shortcut. And let's make it, we can't make it Y because that's Pentagon. Can't make it T because that's aligned to top. So I'm just going to go U. It's not assigned anything, so I'm going to assign it. And I'm going to say OK. Now I'm going to, well, let me just make another yellow box because it's always the last thing you draw is going to be on top. So if we make this a yellow box, it's hiding it. So what I have to do is go Order, Back a Page. But now that I have a hotkey, all I have to hit is the letter U, and it sends it to the back of the page, which makes perfect sense. You can make any key that's not being used the hotkey for that. I might figure out something later, but I don't like to, to me, this is quicker than going Control, especially on my laptop. I have to go page down, Control page down. That's a two key poke, and one of them's over here and one of them's right here. Mine's a little bit different. It actually has the word page down better. But let's put this, so I'm just gonna hit U and it put it to the back of the page. So I can just flip flop them with just hitting the letter U. So once again, any letter, any number, any combination of numbers on your keyboard or a hotkey, unless you're in text mode, if we hit this and hit U, it types a text. But if we're not in text mode, we hit U and it goes to the back of the page. Anyway, I hope that answers his question and helped you a little bit. Thank you for watching.